Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And I decided to do a video today to discuss why I get boxes and what I kept from my latest boxes. So I'm 5'2", and as most of you know, yes, stores might carry petites, but they're typically not in store and I can't try them on. I can sometimes wear a regular size in the store, so that's typically what I do is I try on the regular size, see how it works. If I know it's not going to work in a regular, I might try it and order in a petite if I like it a lot. But you never know until you order it, spend the money on it, bring it home, try it on at home, and then you have to bring it back to the store or ship it back. I like doing the boxes because I don't have to pay anything up front. I get them in my home. I can see if it matches what I have. And if it matches what I have, or I can work with it, or it's not something I have already, then I can make the decide. I kind of use it more as a try before you buy. However, I love FrontDoorFashion. It is my favorite styling service. I get so excited because they come up with complete looks, and even if I don't buy that complete look, it gives me ideas, okay? So let's go into my FrontDoorFashion box, which was an excellent one. And the first thing I wanted to say was the first outfit were the light gray pants with the stripe down the side. It had a cami and a navy blue jacket. And I asked for my stylist for quiet luxury and items that will go good in traveling to the Pacific Northwest. I told her the exact itinerary I was going to be on. I'm going to be on and off a bus. I'm looking for things that pack easily, but that I can layer up. And I'm always cold. So I think she really came through with some great outfits for me. Plus, I also said I was looking in for tan linen-like pants. I was also saying I was looking for cool girl black pants. So I think she did a fantastic job in fulfilling my requests for clothes that fit me and my body type. By the way, I do want to point out that they only go up to a size 12. They said once they grow as a business, they will start offering other sizes, but right now they're just doing the 0 to 12 Missy sizes. So what did I decide to keep about that first outfit? Well, the first outfit had a basic white cami, and I think you all knew from my expression, it's like, that I can get anywhere. You know, I don't need a styling service to send me a white cami. That to me is quite boring, and I can get anything anywhere else. But it gave me an idea for styling. She also sent with the pants that navy jacket, which I thought was adorable with that outfit. However, I didn't keep the cami, obviously, and I didn't keep the jacket. My thinking was, yes, that jacket is cute, but coming over here, I already have this dark wash navy blue blazer, all right? I can wear that, and this is a soft denim material. I can already wear that with these pants. Or I can mix it up, and you'll probably see this later this week, just wear it with this Michael Stars tee. So this is a dark navy Michael Stars tee. Why did I keep the pants? All right, my friend Shannon, who is a stylist at Stitch Fix, she goes, what's the big deal about those? They're just a pair of gray pants. Well, I didn't have a pair of light gray pants, number one. Number two, I really don't have any kind of chino pants. And number three, I don't have any kind of pants with this cute little sporty striping on them right now. So these to me are different and unique to my wardrobe. So that's why I kept these pants, and I really like the way they fit. The pockets are puckering ever so slightly, but there's so much stretch. I don't know if you can even see it when I'm stretching. There's so much stretch in these. You're not going to see that puckering after a half an hour of wear. I'm telling you, these are really soft and comfortable. They're lightweight, and they were 97% cotton, 3% spandex. So I really like these pants, and I think these type of pants can be dressed up or dressed down. I'll probably be wearing it casually. I love the Liverpool jacket. It was $120, and originally I thought it was going to be great for traveling. However, I'm going to the Pacific Northwest, and I know I'm going to need to bring my raincoat, and that will probably be my jacket that I bring, and maybe like a hoodie and a cardigan sweater. So unfortunately, that jacket did go back, and you know what? If I find it on sale or I find it somewhere else, I'm definitely going to pick it up. Okay. The next thing that was in that ensemble was the red Michael Stars gauze top, and I did ask her for gauze material tops. I was also kind of looking for some long sleeves to cover my arms, protect my shoulders, etc. That was a short sleeve. I thought it was kind of big and boxy on me, number one. So even if I didn't already have red tops, I would have returned it. But I have all these red tops. I'm bringing them over here to show you all. So I have this one that I just purchased from Stitch Fix. It's a blouse. I believe it's by, who is it? By Nine Britain. It has the cute little bow tie in the back. I've worn it once so far. So I already have that. I already got this one from Stitch Fix. It's nice cotton, 100% cotton, design history top, all right? Very nice t-shirt, elevated t-shirt with the eyelet sleeves. So that's 2 red. Then 3 red is this very old loft halter style sweater. All right, so that's 3 red. All right, do I need any more red? No, I'm sorry, I don't need any more red. And then with it, she paired the chambray pants. Now I asked her for a pair of chambray pants, so those fit the bill. Those were by Mommy, and originally I liked them until I looked back at the footage, and there just seemed to be a lot of material here, and it was kind of giving me that smiley face crotch look. It didn't look very attractive. So I said, you know what? I don't think they're the greatest fit on me, so that went back, all right? Then the next ensemble, oh, okay, totally up my alley, was a white and beige striped, like tank style sweater by Gentle Fawn. The material on that was 100% nylon. I'm like, really? It felt soft and nice, but I don't think I want to wear 100% nylon in the summertime. And the pants were really nice, all right? So as you can guess, I kept the pants, okay? They were hardly wrinkled after traveling that far. They're soft and they're comfortable, and then they were a perfect length. These are by Z Supply. So yeah, I kept the pants because I have been looking for a pair of pants like these and just haven't had much luck. I mean, they're soft, comfortable, hardly wrinkle, and exactly what I want. And again, these can be dressed up or dressed down. And it was something I specifically wrote in my note. Okay. Now, I really like the top, even though it was 100% nylon. But I literally just kept this from Stitch Fix, right? So picture this, the pants, whoops, as I drop them on the floor. Picture the pants with this thing draped over my shoulders with a white tank underneath. So I can play a plain white tank, this draped over my shoulders with this. I think it's gonna give me that same kind of look, all right? This I kept from Stitch Fix. I originally told you it was $47. When I checked out, it was marked down to $40, even a better deal. So I am very happy with this purchase. Now, one of the things that I did ask my stylist for that she couldn't accommodate was looser fitting jeans. So I'm still on the hunt for those. And I actually have a pair in my cart at White House Black Market that are girlfriend style. I've not tried them on in store. I have not seen them in store. I don't know if I need a short or a petite or a regular in those. I don't even know if I need to size up. So I haven't really pulled the trigger on them yet because I'm not quite sure whatever I do purchase, if I'm going to be able to keep, and I'm going to go back to the store. You know how it is. I'd much rather just get a box where people send them to me and I try them on. So because I didn't get those jeans in this box, and I decided to just keep those 2 pants, spoiler alert, I did decide to keep the Cosmic Blue Love jeans from my Stitch Fix. I don't have any kick crop flares. I don't have any, I do have 2 pairs of light wash jeans. One is a wide leg with the cuff, and the other is the straight leg mauve that I also got from FrontDoorFashion. But I don't have any kick crop, and this would be my 3rd pair of light wash, and these are the lightest of the lightest wash. And I just thought they fit so well, were so comfortable, and I like them because they are a kick crop, and I can wear them with heels, or I can wear them with flats. And yeah, these are staying with me. I really like these jeans, so I was gonna be kind of sad to send them back. So that's what I kept from my box. Now, why did, or boxes, Stitch Fix and FrontDoorFashion. So then you say, well, Carolyn, you had some other items in your FrontDoorFashion. So the next items in my FrontDoorFashion were the black Liverpool pants that I had actually received before, I think. And then it came with that satin cami. Well, I told you in the cami I didn't like because it was just way too big and it was a complete wrinkled mess. The pants I received before, and I sent them back before, they're okay. There's nothing wrong with them. Just not really thrilled about the material that much. They were a poly viscose mix, and I felt more poly than viscose. They were okay, but I just didn't fall in love with them, and I think that if I'm going to be spending full price on a pair of black pants, I absolutely got to love them. And it's summertime and I don't absolutely need black pants right now. Then the next item that she gave me were another pair of black pants. They were by Prosperity. They were only $79. As I said, I always do my due diligence and go on different websites and do my searching to try and find those cheaper. And those I found cheaper. I even found Walmart. They were sold out, but Walmart was selling them. Prosperity, no joke, same name brand, same everything. Now they were sold out, but I also saw them on Poshmark, right? And again, not my size. They had new tags, not my size. So I couldn't purchase them through anywhere online anymore. They did have them still on the Prosperity main site, but in different colors, not black. So these are obviously an older style. And I kind of wrote in my notes back to Front Door Fashion, these are older and been around a while, and they probably should be marked down, in my opinion. All right, so I don't have a problem paying full price, retail price when they're sending you items in a box, but when they've been around for a while, and they are the skinny style, I kind of expect them to be on sale, right? I'm sorry, I just don't want to pay full price. And that's the way I am with even like retail stuff. If the item's been around for a while, I don't want to pay full price on it. I want it at a discount. So I like them. I might keep my eye out for them if they're out in a sale somewhere. But honestly, I mean, I like cargo, but do I really want another pair of cargo pants? So that's why I sent them back. If I get another pair of cargo pants, it will probably be in olive, or they'll be, if they're in black, they're going to be like the ones from Sanctuary, the looser, wider leg. Those I just felt were kind of a dated style, and not that they were so dated I wouldn't wear them, but they're just so dated I wouldn't purchase them at full price, if that makes sense. And then she sent me with that black Gentle Fawn shirt. Like that one a lot. It was really super soft, but it is 100% dry clean. And again, I did my due diligence and it's not on sale anywhere. Matter of fact, other websites had it for more money. The retail price on Gentle Fawn's website was $114. When I went to other websites, I saw them as much as they're trying to sell for $122. So do your due diligence, search. Some things will be cheaper, some things will be more. And, I just kind of felt that was kind of heavy and dark for the summer, and I just wasn't ready to spend my money on that something now, but I wrote the name down. And I'm going to keep my eye out for it. Both, through maybe I might ask Front Door Fashion for it again. I might do look on Gentle Fawn's website when it goes on sale. I know Wantable carries Gentle Fawn, so I'm going to keep an eye out on Wantable. And if Wantable puts it on sale, the funny thing is that top also comes in this really pretty aqua color. If she sent me the aqua color, that I probably would have kept because that is more of a summer color. But the dark black just seems too, I guess, heavy for summer for me now in the way that was. So yeah, that went back. And then the last item, I didn't like the way it quite fit me. And again, it was another dark color. It was, and I told her I was a soft fall, so maybe that's why she sent me these dark colors, but they're just a little bit too dark for summertime, I think. I want something lighter and airier. And I sent back the gauze top because I also think for what it was a little bit too much money. So that is it. For my Front Door Fashion, I kept 2 pairs of pants. The ones with the cute little racer type stripe and the tan ones. And they're tan pants, and I can mix and match them. And I think it will go great with the striped sweater that I got from a Stitch Fix, draped over my shoulders with a little white tank from Loft. And that's what I kept. And I hope you guys understand why I don't keep a whole box. I do have limited funds and limited space. And I do these boxes to find things that I'm specifically looking for, or things that I might not be looking for, but definitely bring an added element or dimension to my current wardrobe, because I like to mix things up. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in Front Door Fashion, use my link below. If you don't like me, search other YouTubers. And if you don't like what I got in my box, if you thought it was kind of just plain and boring, black pants, tan pants, gray pants, look at other YouTubers. I specifically asked for quiet luxury, and I like that, uniform look. If you're Laura into colors, look at Laura from Little Box of Happy. She loves colors, and they send her tons of colors in her boxes. So, you know, it depends on what your taste is, and they try and make you guys happy and fulfill your wishes. It's a lot different from the other styling services. Yes, their inventory is still limited, but they, I think, have a better inventory to select from than other styling services. All right, thank you again, and until next time.